congratulate Transport Ministry, Government of Sindh on launching yet another landmark initiative service for the people of Sindh, for the people of Karachi, all across. This EV taxi is a energy efficient solution. जिस तरीके की आजकल की हमने देखा फ्यूल की सोल्यूशन आई प्रॉब्लम्स आई हुई हैं उन सब के सामने रखते हुए जो ईवी solution है this is need of the day. Also, we would like to thank the Sindh Mass Transit Authority for giving Sindh Bank an opportunity to play a pivotal role in financing solution for this initiative. Sindh Bank has been formed on the vision of Mohtarma Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto for power to the people. And with this Sindh Bank role in this financial solution, we are aiming to power this EV taxi service with the financing. And with SEDF coming on board, the financial solution is going to become very cost effective, almost low cost, because the entire Kaibor portion, which is a significant portion in any financial solution, is taken up by SEDF. And this is a big initiative which is not happening yet in any other part of the country, because the entire Kaibor portion, which is the financial cost, has been taken up by SEDF. Our best wishes to Government of Sindh, Transport Ministry and Sindh Mass Transit Authority. Thank you so much.